Let me show you how you can sell a course or how you can launch your own course inside of Systeme.io. Systeme.io is basically a marketing tool, but you can also list your courses or sell courses on Systeme.io. So the first thing you need to do is obviously to create an account on Systeme.io. I'll put a link in the description of the video so you can check it out and create an account. So when you create your account and you have everything set up, if you come here, if you come to assets here, you see that we have courses. We also have physical products and all of that. So if you click on courses, or if you come here, click on courses, you see all the courses that you have. So you can list courses or you can create courses here and people can come and take your courses. All right. And they will pay you to take your courses. So you can list courses for free or you can basically sell them. So to sell them, you need to have a payment method integrated and all of that. So I have videos on all of that already. If you want to check it out, make sure to check them out. So if you come here, you have your courses. You can even bundle your courses. You can see all your students and you can see all the assignments that you gave your students. So I'm just going to walk you through how to list your courses. Here you can see that we do not have any course yet, but we can add a new course here. So if you click on add a new course, this is where you select the name of the course and also the domain. So if you have a domain on Systeme.io, you can select the domain. All right, so I'm just going to leave this default domain. I'm going to call this course. So let me just call it Funnel Builder. All right, let's say this is the course I want to sell right here. So I'm just going to call it Funnel Builder, and this is going to be the URL to the course. All right, so you can just put your own URL here. So let's say maybe let me just call it FB. So this is basically our course link in this case, so you can copy it. But another interesting thing is that they give you layouts, how your course is going to appear or the theme that you want to use. So you can select the one that you prefer. All right, so usually I prefer blue, so I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to pick this blue right here. So I'm going to say select this theme and then I'm going to click on save. So basically we've created our course. All right, and this is the name of the course. If you click on this three dots, you can view the course, you can see the curriculum, you can do different settings, you can share it, you can duplicate it, you can activate it, and you can delete it. So let's click on the course itself. So if you click on the course, this is the course, and it's basically going to take us to the back end of the course. So this is where we start to add the module and the course item itself. So before you do that, you can add students. Before you add students, you have to activate your course, and you can see all your students. You can again customize your theme and then the settings. So let's start adding the course module. So you click on module. So let's say my first module is basically, I'm going to call it maybe introduction. All right, so let's say just say introduction. All right, so you click on save. Now you want to add the lecture to the introduction. All right, so let's click on this and we can add the title of the lecture. So I'm just going to call this maybe what is a funnel. All right, so the display, we want to leave it at 0. If you want people to comment, you can allow them comment, but we don't want them to comment for now. And we are going to be using a video course in this case. So I'm just going to click on save. After that, you can decide to add another lecture if you want it to be under that module. All right, so I'm not going to waste time and I'm not going to add another course. So we want to actually add the video to the course itself that we've created. All right, so you can also grant access immediately, or you can also allow the content to drip. So you can create a drip content by email, by access, so it will be dropping one after the other. So again, if you open the course, this is where you can start adding the course material. All right, so you can add the header if you wanted and all of that, but this is where you upload the file. All right, so you have the option to do a lot of things depending on the theme that we've selected. So you can then add the file, you can add an introduction, you can add like course materials and all of that, and a list of resources. You can attach different resources that they can use and all of that. And let's say I wanted to upload just a video, so you can add different things from here. You can add different blocks and all of that from here. All right, but in my case, I like to keep things simple, so we are just going to give them a video. We just want them to watch a video. So you already have this video elements here, but if you didn't, you can just come here, search for video, and you can drag the video and just put it somewhere right here, and you have the option to add a video to the course. So if you wanted to add a video, just click on the video element, and from here you can add the video as a direct link. You can do a custom embed, and you can upload it directly to system.io. So if you upload it directly, you need to select the video file. So you can just click on this and you can drag your video file and put it right here. So I just uploaded one course here, and I can just say insert, and this is going to be my course. All right, this is going to be the video that they get once they come right here. All right, so once you are done, you want to make sure that you save your course. Always save it, because this website doesn't auto save. So if you don't need all these things here, you can basically delete them. So we have sections and we have rows, so you can basically delete all the ones you don't want. So in my case, I'm just going to delete all the things I do not want right here. So you might just go through this, decide what you want and what you do not want. After that, you want to click on save. So once you are done adding this, you can exit the page. Of course, make sure to save what you are creating. So we already have one course, one video uploaded. You can add multiple modules as you want. So now you want to come to the course settings, and this is the course settings. You can add the instructor name. So the instructor name is going to be my name. All right, so your own name is probably what you want to use as your instructor name. All right, you come here, you write the description, you write the custom domain. This is the URL. This is the font. You can add the teacher photo if you want, the logo, the cover photo if you wanted. This is the sales page. You can choose a funnel to actually connect it to your sales page and all of that. So this is the certification if you want them to get certified after taking the course. So these are the settings you can do. So once you are done from there, you can go back to your courses again. And again, if you click on these 3 courses, this is where you can activate your course. So you want to activate this course, you click on confirm, and your course will now be live.